iMovie is a consumer video editing program on the Mac platform. It's particularly good for things like editing your home movies. And of course, if you want to share those home movies on YouTube, it has some options for that. Let's see how they work. I'm here in the iMovie interface, and I've made a short program. Now I want to export it to YouTube, and I want to show you a couple options for doing that. Under the Share menu, you can see that one of the options is YouTube. Let's go ahead and click that. You can see that this is an interface that resembles the YouTube upload interface on the browser quite closely. You'll need to add your real username and your password. Then you have familiar choices like the category, the title, description, and tags that are used for searching. Next, you can customize the size. I would probably choose the HD size, which is the largest one allowed here based on the size of the video. You have a choice to make the movie private or to make it open to the public. You see that the default here is to make it personal, and that's actually the opposite as you would find on the interface. I'm going to cancel out of this to show you one other method. Also under the Share menu, you have export using QuickTime, and the ... is QuickTime conversion. If I click this, you'll see what I mean. This is a more powerful tool for exporting. It's exactly the same as export using QuickTime conversion in Final Cut Pro, which we're going to cover in detail in the Final Cut Pro movie. The interface is exactly the same in Final Cut Pro as iMovie, so you can look at the movie on Final Cut Pro for the details here. But this is a way to take more control over your export than you can do with the choice to export to YouTube. You can see that a program like iMovie, similar to other consumer editors, gives you some good choices to export to YouTube. One that's very straightforward and looks like the browser interface, and one that gives you a little more control over the video parameters. I encourage you to experiment with both on your video.